They must have offered a good deal for
Oh,
whatever he
look.
had.
Look.
Yeah, the
Look.
old 500.
Oh, beauty. Very nice.
Yeah. The only thing missing is the smell of castor wire, isn't it?
He came back with 7.3.
Right.
And I said, nah. I said, I'll stop you there.
Yeah.
Oh, well, let me have a word with the sales manager. Then it went to 7.5. And I said, nah. So I'm not going to give mine away. It's too good a bike for that. And then he's finally come back and said 7.9. But that's it, basically.
It's not enough, is it?
No, it's not. I mean, this is far too good to let it go for 7,900.
I'm hanging a left. Oh shit, I'm not hanging a left up here.
Oh, diversion.
Yeah.
So yeah, to change my bike with 22,034 miles on it, with a full service history and full set of luggage, to go to a 21 plate, so it is 3 years younger, but it's only done 200 and some miles less than this one. It would cost me £5,600 to change it.
Yeah.
Now, admittedly, that adventure bike has got the aluminium luggage. I mean, it's got everything. It's got the twin heated seats, which on their own are quite a few quid. Nah.
It's going to cost you, what, £4,000 to get what you've got in it?
Let's say this is a bloody good bike. There's nothing wrong with it. Even he said how clean it was for its age.
Yeah, they only offered you a stupid price for it.
Yeah, which they do.
Yeah.
So, no, I thought bugger you.
Well, they've got to pay for those nice new showrooms somehow, haven't they?
Well, yeah, and that's it. Never mind, you got your BMW coffee, and very nice it was too.
I'll tell you what, yeah, BMW coffee's not bad at all, really.
Very nice, wasn't it? Lovely.
Yeah. I had a cappuccino with chocolate on top.
Gotta tell you what, that's turned out a nice day, isn't it?
It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Almost like spring.
Beautiful.
According to the long range forecast, so that's it now for nearly a fortnight.
Now, I like that junction, you can see for miles.
Can, yeah.
Look how wet it is, look, all the water hanging around.
Yeah. Well, just here
Very
by
boggy.
this tree here on the left, coppers used to sit there with their speed cameras.
Oh, do they?
And because we came over every morning, they used to wave to us. Yeah, so for 6 months, this was my daily commute. Well,
So nobody owns these horses?
yeah, they're all owned.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, if you look at their manes and their tails, they've all got different cuts in them that tells you who they are, who they belong to. And they round them up a couple of times a year.
They
Yes.
just leave them out, do they?
Yeah. Yes.
But are they out
set
all
up, really.
year? I suppose they are.
They are, yeah.
It must be freezing.
And then come autumn, they turn the pigs out. They go around munching on all the acorns. So I don't know. We might be going past it. We've got Bewley Road Station. That's one of the places where they round them all up to. It's like a big corral there.
Oh, yeah.
So, I really want to go past him. But I know there's a copper that sits up the end of the road here.
Yeah. Get we in no rush, are we?
No. I always burn at people speeding through the forest anyway, so.
Yeah, you only want one of them bloody horses to run, eh?
Yeah.
And I guarantee that, Nert, you hit one of them.
The amount that gets killed every year is crazy.
Is it?
Yeah, a lot of them have got radio collars on now.
Now, is that another pond, or is that...
That's all the same pond.
Oh, yeah.
Kids go swimming in that, just in that car park there, that's where the ice cream van. Right, we're bearing right here.
Yeah, I must admit, he sat there, told me how nice my bike was, what good condition it was. Oh, donkeys and all that.
Yeah, they're smaller than ponies. Sorry, nice.
Yeah, told me how nice it was, brilliant, low mileage, and then offers you peanuts.
Yeah. See those 3 diamonds on that post there?
Indicator, yep.
That's the marker of his boundary. Old Lord, whatever his name, Montague.
Oh yeah,
Julius
indicator,
Stone.
mate.
I need a BMW, don't I?
Yeah, you want, yeah. go in there, they'll give you a good price for your bike. Oh yeah, I see what you mean, they got collars on, isn't they?
Yeah, they're all radio tag now. But
I was
these are
going to
nice.
say, if they own them, they must need to know where they are to go and get them.
Yeah, well, they never used to be tagged.
Oh, that's CB 1100EX.
And an 650 Interceptor. Yeah, well, years ago before they were tagged, they just know where they are. They just wander around and find them. Beats me how they did it.
I wonder if they sort of stick to the area.
I suppose they must do to a degree, wouldn't they?
Or whether they sort of bugger off here, there and everywhere.
I mean, I assume, even though they're left, turned out like they are, people come and check on them and give them a bit of extra feed and that. So, they must.
Yeah.
They obviously know their owners, don't they?
56.4 miles per gallon. He's averaging.
For an engine that size, that's bloody good going, isn't it? I know we're only popping around, aren't we?
Yeah.
But I wouldn't have thought it would do any less on a bloody motorway. Once you get in top gear, you
to be honest,
more to the gallon, isn't you?
We're probably averaging more than that on this ride, but it's bringing my average up because we're only pootling around. Yeah, see, they all got collars on.
Yeah, we're going up the Beauty Road, the Beauty station, so on the right hand side in a bit you'll see where they bring them all in. They're just up here on the right, see all the woodwork up there?
Yeah.
That's where they bring them all in.
Ah.
And then they'll sell them off, like just bring them in and mark their tiles and stuff like that.
Oh, this is a proper humpback bridge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it over a railway line?
It is,
isn't
yeah.
it? Oh yeah, it's proper corrals, isn't it? Indicator. You ought to get a BMW.
Oh, I ought to get a BMW.
I've been this way before.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I remember that church there on the left.
Yeah.
And that little gateway.
There's some beautiful pubs out around this way.
Because I think we came off of the
radio on 102.3.
What?
Hey Cardo, radio off.
Radio on.
I've even, in the settings, I've even got radio turned off.
Have you?
Yeah. Oh, smell barbecue.
Oh. I'm still eating my breakfast, but it does smell gorgeous, doesn't it?
I'm glad I didn't take any of their tablets today. Oh.
No, there's no toilets out here. You'll be squatting in the woods. I mean, look at all these houses. Look at these beautiful cottages, aren't they?
Lovely, isn't it?
Oh, I'm not jealous one little bit. Bastards. What have I done wrong in my life, eh? Oh, we got a foot.
Oh yeah. Does this bring us up? Hang on, we come to a crossroads. Do we land up dropping down? Oh, what the hell's that pub called? It's got a weird name.
Red Sheet?
No. It's right on the edge of the New Forest. Say if you were coming from Wimborne way. Oh, What's it called?
We've got
The Fighting Cocks.
that's at Godshill, yeah. That's the bridge you're on about, isn't it?
That's the bridge, and there's the old sluice gates back there. Yeah, I want to get the drone up over here. It's lovely when you do aerial shots and see all the land around it all flooded as well.
Yeah. There's some lakes over to the right, isn't there?
Yeah.
On the other side there.
Isn't there a water sports place along here?
Yeah, just up a little bit further on the left. Can't afford none of them.
Crazy money, ain't they, those campers?
Yeah.
They buy up the old bloody work vans, don't they?
Yeah.
Convert them and sell them for a fortune.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Even though the van's done bloody 100,000 miles and all the panels at the back are dented to shit.
Yeah. Yeah, but once you cover that up with a nice bit of trim and a bit of carpet, you wouldn't know, would you?
Right, I might shoot up to the right and then buzz off that way.
Okay, mate. Well, have a good trip home.
Yeah, have a look at that Vosge and see what he'll do.
Yeah. Yeah. If he hasn't got a pair, he might have one we can take turns on.
Yeah.
Or at least go and look at it. Alright, mate. Stay safe.
Yeah, and you bet. Ta-da. Where's he going?
Up your ass.